So far, so good. Now, thank you. Now, let's continue. Welcome to Top It FS, where we make trading simple to everybody around the world. And the strategy we always use here is market maker footprint. That is what we always made use of in this place. Welcome to Top It FS, where we make trading simple to every mankind, to every forex trader around the world. Many people, the way they see us analyze at Top It FS, they always look at it that it's too simple for them to believe. But at the end of the day, they end up being our students and they end up enrolling into our academy, and they also become a profitable trader, which I believe that many of my fans around the world can testify to that our strategy, our way of trading is different from every other people the way they are trading. And it has been an awesome one. So far, so good. We are starting with USDCHF this morning for the sake of people that are just joining right now. We are starting with USDCHF, and USDCHF, what do we see here? Throughout last week, we predicted that the market is going to go bullish, and the market is bouncing and bouncing from this particular price of 0.8900. And I told us that from this 8900, they are still going to proceed to 0.900 or 0.9050 price before we will look for sell opportunity here. And this area that you see me mark on my chart, they are the market maker footprint area. They are the market maker footprint area, all this place. And these are the area that the market has been coming to retest that we will look for a buy opportunity. They will come back, we will look for a buy opportunity, and they have been moving and moving. And now this is where we are expecting them to come to for us to look for a sell opportunity this week on USDCHF. And like we said, if the price comes to 0.9050 or 9000, if the price comes there and they didn't give us any sign to drop, where is the next possibility area for us to look for a good sell opportunity? We should look for that sell opportunity at the price of 0.9110. 0.9110. So those are the area, or we should look for the price and for the sell opportunity at the price of 0.9210 or 0.9320. These are the area whereby we should be looking for a sell opportunity for us to enjoy this week. And I wish you good luck in your trading career. Like we always say, we are giving you the analysis. Look for the price at which is best for you to trade. Look for your own entry. Our way of entry is to scale down to 5 minutes whenever they get to those market maker footprint. We'll look for our own the divergence at those areas to participate, whether to know if it is mature to drop or not. So that is my take for USDCHF. If the market is going to drop, which we expect it at 0.9000 or 0.9050 or 0.9110 or 0.9210 or 0.9320. Those are the four prices that I'll be looking for my sell opportunity this week. And let me tell every one of us, let me announce this one to us. Every September 21, in the history of forex market that I've been trading forex, is always a ritual day in the forex market. The market will be scattered. The market will take a new dimension. The market will take a new shape. If you have been a forex trader for a very long time, you will be aware of that. And if you look at the calendar for this week, if you look as from tomorrow, we have CPI news on Canadian dollar, we have monetary. And if you look at Wednesday, we have CNY, which also affects AUDS, DPS like that, and JPYPS. We have GBP, and we have FOMC. I believe that I have done a video on how to trade FOMC. I have taught us how to trade FOMC that will not make you to lose your money. And I'll always tell people FOMC is the best trade that you can trade to make a very good money that you won't even lose much. And I have practiced it. I have done it here times without number that we have traded FOMC together, and we didn't lose any one FOMC that we have been trading together here. And I can also assure you that go and look for that video and watch it. And if you couldn't see the video, I will look for the video on my TikTok this thing, or do it and drop it on my YouTube for us to also participate and watch and know how to trade it. And also, we still have on the 21st, which is the due day, which is CHF monetary policy assessment. We have GBP monetary policy summary, official bank rates, all those things, they are there. And I can tell you, between 21 and 22, I beseech you, I'm going to beg you, don't trade anyhow. If you don't know how to trade, I will even rather tell you to hold your money. It has always been a bloody day in the forex market. It has always been a bloody day. It's just like I will tag it to be a ritual day in the forex market, whereby the market will be destroyed. If you want to confirm this thing that I said, go and check the previous years, 21 and 22. If they didn't spike it on 21, they would definitely, there is no even day that they will not spike it 21 and 22. I've not seen it. And look at it, especially this JPY. And I'm telling you, JPY, go and sit down for sell. If you have not entered sell on JPY, anything JPY PH, once it is on the 21st, just use small lot size on your account. Please, please don't say because I said go and enter, say, oh, look at the market structure that day. But I can assure you, every 21st, 22, market mostly always go to a downward direction for every JPY pairs. Now, GBP JPY will sell. And I can assure you this week, GBP JPY will sell. But because I am assuring you doesn't mean that you should not apply your wisdom or your strategy. Apply your strategy to know where you are going to partake in this market. And look at all this news on Friday. Look at all this news. We have monetary policy statement, and you know that this is the last quarter of the year. So a lot of things will be coming out for the market to shake, for the market to be destroyed. And many forex traders will lose their money this week. That one is very sure. If you don't know how to trade, you will definitely donate. You will definitely do what? Do a burnt offering. That is what I always call it here in my channel. And for you not to do a burnt offering, is either you hold your money to yourself, or you wait for a strategical place for you to place your trade and enjoy your money for this week. And let me tell you, 21 of September of every year and 22 of September of every year are the year that people are always being made in the forex market mostly, and is the day that people always lose their capital also. So it's either you are on the winning side or you'll be on the losing side. But the only thing I'm going to advise you is that make sure that you look for your strategy, you look for your egg that day. And I can assure you that if you are on the right side, you are going to make a very bastard and a stupendous money that day. So let me go back to my analysis. We have done that. Let's look at gold this morning. Let's look at gold. If every one of you could remember on gold, I told us on gold that this gold that we'll be looking for a buy opportunity that was last week. And the market started there, and I told us that this market is going to flow from this market maker footprint, and it's going to flow to this particular area. And I first of all predicted 1904, and I said if they don't stop at 1904, meaning that they will come to 1898, and look at it. This is 1904 where they came to. They came to 1904, and they only spiked to 1900. And immediately they spiked to 1900. What happened? The market began to find its way, and it find its way. And look at the trade that I gave out that day, and look at the trade and the market. I told us that expect your take profit at 1930. If every one of you could remember, I said that you should expect your take profit at 1930, and look at it. The market has come to 1930, and I told you that look for your sell opportunity at 1930. And if they don't give us a sell opportunity at this area, I told us that the next market maker footprint whereby we'll be looking for sell opportunity is at 1940. But as you can see, If we scale down to 5 minutes, we can see that the market has been giving us a series of divergence to show and to approve to us that this market is about to make a very good sell downward. And if I'm going to be looking for sell opportunity on gold this morning, I would like to make, let me see something here. If I'm going to look for a sell opportunity, I'm going to be looking for sell opportunity the moment the price break below 1927. The moment the price break below it and retest 1927.60, and I'll be expecting the market to drop. I'll be expecting the market to make a drop. So this is my analysis on gold this morning. I'm looking for sell opportunity this morning on gold. I'm looking for sell opportunity, and if I'm going to be looking for sell opportunity, then they must break below this price, retest it, and drop it downward. But if they don't break and retest and drop it, where should we be expecting them to get to? Expect them to get to 1935 to 1940. This is at the area that you should be looking for a sell opportunity again. If they don't give it to us at this area that I mentioned before, expect them to come to 1935 or to 1940. So those are the area I believe that they are going to drop good for us. And as we all know that we are all speculators in this market, and don't say because I have said this, you should just go and jump into it. Wait for your strategy. Look for your way of entry at those areas and make sure that you make good money. And where should we be expecting them to come to? Let me look at the chart very well. We should be expecting them to give us our first profit at the price of 1920. Then from 1920, we expect them to give us to 1912. Then from 1912, we expect them to come to 1905 again before we will do for another opportunity in buying this morning. But let me use 1 hour to help us this morning. Our first TP should be at 1920, then second TP at 1910, second TP at 1910, then the third TP at 1903. Those are the areas that I'll be giving us the TP for gold. Ibrahim said, should we sell? Ibrahim, look for your entry strategy. I have given it. I think you are joining us for the first time. So look for your entry strategy. I have given you my entry strategy. Wait for it to play out before you place any trade on sell. So that is my take on gold this morning. Now let's look at GBP USD. GBP USD. On GBP USD, the market has come to the market maker footprint here on my market. He has given me a very strong, and he has come to the market maker footprint, but yet he has not given me what I am looking for. And in as much that he has not given me what I am looking for, meaning that he's still going to move to the next market maker footprint. And the next market maker footprint is from the price of 1.2200 or 1.2000. Those are the areas that you should be looking for a buy opportunity on GBP USD. Look for a buy there or at GBP USD. But before the buy will occur, because the market has not get ready. I told you that gold, we should be looking for a sell opportunity there this morning, meaning that this GBP USD will also still sell to this area that I mentioned, 1.22 or 1.20. Then look for your divergence on 5 minutes or 15 minutes or 30 minutes and pick your trade for a buy opportunity later in the week. So that is my analysis on GBP USD. Now let's go straight to Shell JPY. On Shell JPY, I gave us the trade and I told us that we should be looking for a buy opportunity on Shell JPY last week. But before we look for buy opportunity, I told us that this market is going to sell around this area. And look at it, the market sold. And I told us that the market is coming to 16400 or 163.50. But the market came to 163.83. That is where it came to, and it gave us an opportunity to buy at that level. And we bought at this market maker footprint here at 16400. And the price, I told us that it's going to come to 165.50, but the market only attained 164.40, and the market begins to do what? It begins to drop and drop and drop from there. So the price we bought from here to attain our position to sell from this area, 16400 we bought, and the price came here. And when it came here, I told us that this is the time for us to sell that we are looking for. But we said we are looking for sell at 165.50, but he only give us 165.40, and the price dropped and dropped and dropped to this level of 164.20. It dropped to 164.24, but the TP that I gave to us is 164.16 or 164.00, but they only stop at 164.27, and which I believe that is a good massive profit for us. And this week, what are we looking out for this week? We are still going to be looking for a sell opportunity on Chef JPY this week. As we are looking for sell opportunity on Chef JPY this week, I believe that the market is still going to retrace to the price of 165.20 or to the price of 165.70. Those are the two areas that we'll be looking for sell opportunity for the continuation on sell on Chef JPY. Chef JPY this week, look for sell opportunity at this price, at the price of 165.20, or sorry, 165.20, yes, and or 165.70. Look at for sell opportunity at those areas on Chef JPY and apply your own strategy. You know that we are all aware that this market is what? Is volatile. Today now Monday, business people, yes, so Ima, today is Monday, then you need to do your analysis down and to get the rightful position. Let's look at GBP JPY also. GBP JPY, expect a buy opportunity on this market maker footprint here. This market maker footprint here, this is at the price of 182.80, 182.80 or 182.450, 182.80 or 182.50, and the price has come to where? It has come to 182.80. The price has come to 182.80. Look for your buy opportunity on GBP JPY. And where is our TP? Our TP will be at 184.00 or at 184.70. Look for your TP there and look for sell opportunity. Throughout this week on GBP JPY, I will be looking for sell opportunity throughout this week on GBP JPY. I will look for sell opportunity. And at what position will I be looking for sell opportunity? Like I always tell us on this channel, you don't put your hand on a falling hand. You don't use your hand to hold falling knife. What you do is that you wait for the price to retrace back a little bit before you could make entry. And where do I expect the price to make a retracement to? I'm expecting the price to make retracement back to 184.00, 184.00 or at the price of 184.50. Those are the area whereby I'll be looking for a retracement on GBP JPY for me to go short this week. For me to go short this week, those are the area whereby I'll be looking for the sell opportunity at the market maker footprint. Now, I believe that at this price, 184.00 or 184.70 or 185.50, those are the three areas that you should be looking for sell opportunity on GBP JPY. Like I told you, you can mark it with me. I'm expecting and I'm suspecting a massive sell on GBP JPY, most especially around Friday, Thursday, Friday. I'm expecting there will be a retracement, a massive retracement. So, but watch out for sell opportunity. That is my own analysis on GBP JPY this morning. And I think I've been able to analyze a very good, perfect entry for us. Now, let's look at USD card this morning. USD card this morning, I told us on USD card that the market will come to this market maker footprint, that the market will sell. It's still going to sell and sell and sell and get to this market maker footprint. Now they are at the market maker footprint right now. And we should be looking for a buy opportunity on USD card for this week. look for a buy opportunity. And if you are buying on USD card, where should be your TP? Your TP should be at the price of 13600, 1.3600, 1.3600. That is where you should be looking for your TP. But your TP1 should be at 1.35450, 1.3550. Then your TP2 should be at 1.3600. So look for a retracement to that level and continue on your sell on USD card. So this way, I'm looking for a buy opportunity. Then when we get to the midweek reversal, maybe at the price of 1.3600 or 1.3550, look for your sell opportunity. If they don't give it to you there, then know that this is the next phase, 1.3650 or 1.3640. Those are the area they are going to drop it again on USD card. And so far so good, I've been able to analyze and give us a very nice perfect trade this week. And let's use our own discretive and our own entry strategy to look at where we are going to position ourselves. I remain Oluwaseun Temitayo Olukayode Gwekun, the chief coach of Torbit FS. And if any one of you want to enroll for any of our classes, we have a beginner class and we have a master class. Our beginner class is $150 and our master class is $350. In any of this one that you want to enroll for, you can come and enroll. But somebody may be asking, do you teach your market maker footprint at the beginner stage? No, we don't teach market maker footprint at the beginner stage. We teach market maker footprint at the master class, meaning that you need to first of all build yourself as a beginner. You need to know how the nitty-gritty of this market is before you will now be thinking of you want to be buying or you want to be doing like a master. Now, if you don't have the foundational knowledge, let me tell you, you are going to waste your money in this business. For us that is making money in this business, we have learned, we have unlearned, and we have learned again. And today, by His grace, we are profitable trader. And what am I trying to say? In essence, as a beginner, you need to first of all learn. And if you look at the spelling of learn, Lean, Learn, Learn. If you don't learn, you can't earn. If you remove the letter L behind the learning or learn, if you remove the letter L, it remains N or earning. So meaning that you need to learn in order to earn. If you don't learn, you can't earn. So go for learning. It's not a must that you patronize Torbit FS Academy. You can also patronize any other person anywhere. But what I'm just clamoring for this morning is that go for knowledge. But I can assure you that when you pass through Torbit FS learning stage, if you pass through our learning, I can assure you that you will always be the best in the forex market. I love you so much, and I wish to see you at the top. And you know that my goal for every one of us is to become a profitable trader. So if any one of us have anything that you want me to analyze on this morning, if you have any peer you want me to analyze on, tell me. And if you don't have anyone, let me bring this channel down this morning. Thank you so much. I love every one of you. And thanks for joining me on this. And if you want to join our Telegram page, look at the description, look at my bio. You will see my Telegram page there. And you will also see my WhatsApp number there if you want to chat me up. And let me tell you, there are a lot of scammers around the world there that are trying to impersonate me, because the reason why, if you are not a good trader, they will not impersonate you. It's because you are a good trader, that's why people are impersonating you. So look for my link below my description. Look for my link under my profile. You will see it there. Click it, and it will launch you to my Telegram page straight away. And you will see my WhatsApp number there. My WhatsApp number, you will see there. You can also private chat me. If anybody chat you through Telegram or anybody chat you and say it's Torbit FS, they are liars. They are scammers. Don't give listening here to them. Don't give a listening here to them. The only way you can reach me is through WhatsApp and my Telegram page. I love every one of you, and see you later at the top. Now, tell me what you want me to analyze before I drop it. Somebody said gold. I missed the analysis on gold. Let me go straight back to gold to use gold. Let me use gold also once again. Let me just on gold. I told us that I'll be looking for sell opportunity at these areas, which I have marked that there is a market maker footprint there. And last week I told us that gold would buy, while we should look for a buy opportunity. But before we buy, that we are expecting the gold to sell to this price of 1904, which they came to 1904. And I told us that the market will buy from 1904, it will get to 1930 before we will now look for sell opportunity. And like I told you that the market will definitely give us what we want before we will trade it. And as you can see it, the market is already giving us the leg. Is already giving us that we should sell gold this morning. And let me drop this on my channel like we always do. We always give them, when we see opportunity, we always drop it for them. Use only 40 pips for your stop loss on gold. Look, use only, that's 400 pips as the master when we say that is at the price of place your stop loss at 1931 or 1932. 1932, then expect your first TP at 1922, then your second TP should be at because second TP should be at 1908. So those are the trade that I see that is trying to form up this morning. And look for, if the strategy is not your own way of entry, don't make entry. But if you believe in Tobit FS strategy, why not go ahead and do your trading? And I wish you a profitable week ahead. So that is my own analysis this morning. Wait for this retest candle to close. Wait for the retest candle to close. If the retest candle close above that line that I drew here, above this line, let me delete this. If this retest close above it, I will tell you don't trade. But if it close below there, wait for one sell candle to create, then you make your entry. So that is my own take on gold this morning. Let me drop this on any of our one of our Telegram group. So let me drop it there. Visit. So sell opportunity here. This is the second one. Opportunity. So far so good. Thank you so much. That is my analysis. And for this day, tomorrow we'll look for an update on these ones. We'll bring an update tomorrow for us to enjoy. I'll bring an update for us to enjoy more. And if there's any changes at all, I'll bring an update tomorrow. I love every one of you so much. Thank you so much for joining Tobit FS. God bless you.